mean, both of you.
Hayden, you're blocking my view.
No, I don't care.
I'm just kidding.
You're fine. This is gonna be on YouTube. Oof.
What, Steve?
Why would they got a huge ass field out in the middle of the
Whoa.
Why is there a new stay over here? Probably from the alley back there.
Oh, needing sunlight.
Oh, that was. Oh, we won't stop till you voice, literally.
I should sit in my chair, Mom. That's my chair. Get out of it.
Sit with me. Come on.
I am. Oh my God. Ooh.
Wow, that was neat, huh?
Yeah. Sean, you're gonna be on YouTube.
Okay.
You'll see it now on YouTube. Ooh, beauty. It's the kissing day.
Sounds like us.
Ooh, that was good.
I get told to put my head down too, Dad. Don't worry.
Mom, put your head down. Now. Ooh, that was like a circle.
Yeah, that was neat.
Can we sleep in Uncle Justin's room again tonight?
You know what I got told the other day?
Telling me what, boy?
Please.
Yes, I want to see what you look like with a chin.
Ooh, Christmas. Mom, stop. Put your head down already. God.
Wow, Chelsea, that was pretty harsh. I know I shoot that.
What a puffball.
We need to start doing some.
Oh my God. Your abs are pretty big. Too big, I think.
Oh, that's me. Okay, then.
Mama.
That's the only one you got?
Ooh, how do you zoom in on camera?
I don't think you can on this.
Yes, you can.
Yep, right there.
Yes, you can. Oh, this is good. This is good. That's as much as it could go in.
I got.
No, 4.0. That's not bad.
I'm trying to get back out though. There we go.
Right.
I don't think you want that.
No. YouTube!
You and your YouTube crap.
Well, that's too big. That's good. Ooh. My fans need to get full action on this, guys. Full action. I have one fan, that's it.
One.
Hey, I just put these videos on like a couple days ago, so can't judge me. You're gonna be on YouTube.
I don't
Can't
want to be on
judge me.
YouTube.
Did you
Can't
just say
touch
can't judge me?
Can't touch me. Can we sleep in Uncle Justin's room?
Oh yeah, this is a new thing. Can we sleep in Uncle Justin's room? I don't want to sleep down there anymore.
I want to. We're sleeping down there tonight.
I just sleep on the couch last night because you and Drake took over the whole bed.
We're sleeping in there, Drake. He loves it.
Once I get my room finished, I'm staying back up here.
No. We're sleeping in.
Sleep in the basement.
I'm not sleeping in there.
Why? If I get you your own puppy, you can go down there.
Come
You
on.
got Drake.
Come on.
Alright, just chill. Sometimes I don't like being in the basement.
Well, you know what? We can go there.
We're trying to watch the fireworks in peace.
Shush.
You shush.
I keep on hearing you. Please.
got something in my eye. It hurts really bad.
Probably an ash or something. That's like 3.5, what I think would work just a little bit better. 3 point, ooh, too small. Well, that was just like a kaboom. A kaboom. How do these things go off?
They get lit with a lighter.
Yeah, but like, doesn't it take a little time to like, you know, like push them? I don't know.
There's a whole bunch of people over there doing this.
Is it pretty crowded up by your guys' apartment?
Oh, I'm sure that hill's
they
probably.
block off the road there.
Yeah.
Yeah, like right where the hill starts going down past the apartment, they block it off there.
Whoa, that was me.
That was good. You keep on saying these are all good because they're all good.
There was a guy sitting there.
Earlier
Yeah,
when we went to get
when we
Lola.
went to get Lola, there was a guy sitting by the field,
Right there in the
baseball
corner.
yeah, right on the corner.
Gosh, that's really dedication.
He was sitting by himself, just because I was like, "What is this guy doing?" And I
Oh, that was bright. Can't.
We have a good seat right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. These people always do this every year.
He won't. She cut that other one down in the front. She cut that one down in the front.
Yeah, Renata, cut another tree down, please. Slap me.
What? All right. All right.
Scary. Scary Mary. I'm so scared. No, I'm not.
that was like flash behind all the smoke.
Mhm.
Time capsule.
All that smoke, the color of the firework. You watching, babe?
I need a one like that. I'm not watching. I'm just up my phone all the 7/24/7 like I am.
That was.
It's not neat. How much do you think I should zoom in?
Those are like my favorite ones.
What
They
do
look
you
like
mean?
cherry blossom trees.
Cherry blossom trees.
Mhm. Whoa.
I like those. 'Cause they got that little.
Yeah.
I'm zoomed in full way. Mommy, what are you doing?
I don't know.
You're moving around, so it's
I'm
like...
barely moving.
Don't you see that?
Oh.
That was cool. That was very cool, actually. How much do you think I should zoom in? Like 2.4 maybe? Would that be good enough?
Mhm.
Yeah, it should be good. Maybe too good. .5 would probably be good, the best actually.
Wow.
Oh wow, that's really.
Yeah, 1.3
Yeah, I
or
really
something.
like that.
I like how that had like green and blue.
I liked how it looked like a palace. Yeah, maybe that. Looks like they're actually coming at you now. Get all rattatos, we just don't think on. Electrical chair. More firework, more firework.
What is this little shit doing?
I don't know. I just heard him say run.
He's still running. I think the cops have arrived.
Go see.
Ha ha. Oh, sorry. fireworks on every corner. Seriously, literally. Ooh.
I'm on your phone?
Yep.
Go.
I don't know where to put my phone. There's fireworks in every corner. Mommy's a white truck.
Those are nice.
Mommy's a white truck. The white truck.
What about it? I need a hot rag. My eye is driving. Yeah.
Yeah, all
They,
wrapped out
like,
toes.
off towards that way, there's something, a bunch of shit
Probably ripped.
See you guys in the next part. Bye. Take it easy. Bye.
Fighting anymore.
Yeah, we're not cool enough.